Thank you for choosing Ironside Computers. Today we're going to be doing a video demonstration of order number 814929. We're going to be shipping this computer shortly, but before we do, we're going to be showing you the internals of your computer and that each part is new and undamaged. And we're going to be running a quick stress test to show your computer is fully operational. If you have any questions, please contact us at customer service at ironsidecomputers.com. Taking a look at the outside of your computer, for your case you selected the Cooler Master Storm Stryker. Now we're going to boot the computer up and then take a better look inside to show you the parts that you ordered. Now that your computer's booted up, let's take a better look inside. Taking a look inside your computer, first thing you'll notice is your Corsair H100i liquid cooling unit. For your processor, you selected the Intel Core i7-4770K. We've upgraded you for free to the Intel Core i7-4790K. Beside that, you have 32 GB of 1600 MHz Corsair Vengeance RAM. That is being cooled by a Blue Kingston HyperX memory cooler. Below that, we have your ASUS Zonar 7.1 sound card. And for your graphics card, you selected the Nvidia Geforce GTX 780. At the very bottom, we have your 300 megabits per second network adapter. All your components have been installed on an ASUS Maximus 7 Hero motherboard. For lighting in the system, you selected the NZXT Hue color changing LED strip. Powering your system is a Corsair RM1000, and for storage you selected a Samsung 840 EVO 250GB SSD, along with a secondary Western Digital Caviar Black 2TB hard drive. Taking a look at the front of your computer, starting from the top, you have your power button. Your fan controllers, these have been disabled because you do have the AeroCool V12 XT fan controller below. Your LEDs for the front of your system, you can turn them off or on by using this button. Reset button, 2 USB 3.0 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, and your headphone and mic jack. Your V12 XT fan controller, your DVD writer, and the control panel for your NZXT Hue lighting system. You can change the colors by moving these back and forth, and by pressing these buttons you can change things like the brightness, power, and mode. Taking a look at the back of your computer, starting from the top, you have 2 USB 2.0 ports, PS2, HDMI, optical out, DVI and VGA, your USB BIOS flashback button, 4 USB 3.0 ports, Ethernet and your various audio jacks. Below that we have the ports for your sound card. Now when plugging in any sound devices, please do not use the port on your motherboard. You want to use the ports on your sound card. And below that we have the ports for your graphics card, 2 DVI, HDMI and display. Now same thing applies when plugging in your monitors. Please do not use the ports on your motherboard. They have been disabled. You want to use the ports on your graphics card. Now at the very bottom here we have the antennas for your 300 megabits per second network adapter. Taking a look at the desktop, now we're going to be showing you the parts of the computer you couldn't physically see. First, in File Explorer, your 250 GB SSD along with your 2 TB secondary hard drive. In System Properties, your Intel Core i7-4790K processor and 32 GB of RAM with Windows 8.1 as your operating system. Now navigating to Device Manager, your Nvidia Geforce GTX 780 graphics card, your ASUS Zonar sound card, and your 300 megabits per second network adapter. Now we're going to be running the stress test. This test is called Unigine Valley. It's designed to heavily stress the graphics card as well as the processor. We typically let this test run for up to 8 hours, but for this video we're going to be letting it run for approximately 2 to 3 minutes to show your computer is fully operational. As you can see, your computer is fully operational and all the components in your computer are working properly. Now we're going to be shutting down the system. And that will conclude this video. Again, if you have any questions, please contact us at customer service at ironsidecomputers.com.